Here's the blockhouse. When it was rebuilt, it was built to 50 feet by 50 feet, but the original was 100 feet by 100 feet. And as you can see, it's very tall. There's the U.S. over there. And there was some skirmishes between the U.S. and the Canadians, but nothing too much. One winter, the Canadians were marching around on the grass, and the river was froze over. So they kind of were sneaky, and they kept coming closer and closer and closer to the American fort. They were just playing games. And the next thing you know, they're shooting at the American fort. The men ran. They burnt the fort to the ground. They burnt the town to the ground. But before they did that, they took anything of value and they were able to bring it back across the river, including cannons and artillery and cannonballs and powder and anything that was in town. They took that too and then burnt everything down. And before anything could happen, the Treaty of Ghent happened, and the War of 1812-1814 was over.